Hi guys, I'm gonna unbox a Switch game that I just got. And this is it. Super Mario Deluxe U. So that's the game I just got. So let me just try to open. Wrapping smells weird. This is the game I just gotten. Let's see. Oh, and there's the game right there. It's like a USB card for a camera. That's it. I'm gonna play it in a little bit. So guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. Thumbs up the video for more videos. And thanks for watching. Thanks guys. Let me know if you tried this game and if you like it in the comments below. Thanks guys.